Another bird just flew in because God forbid you have the door open for 5 seconds. And now he's just, there he is. There he is. Looks like a catbird and he looks like he's terrified right now. I don't want to make him scared, but I'm also a little irritated because the last time this happened, it was a nightmare trying to get him out. Let's open this door nice and big. Hopefully another one doesn't fly in. Alright, birdie. What are we gonna do? How are we gonna get you out? That works perfectly. Now he won't be able to hurt himself. It's just a soft bag and he can fly out right now. Got him. We got him. Well, I didn't think that was going to work as well as it did, but it did.